Hi, everyone. I'm Remi. I'm the founder of Inco. Super excited about this hackathon. So essentially, just a quick intro about Inco. Today, all the blockchains are completely transparent, including Solana and most chains out there. What Inco is a private compute layer that sits on top of the existing blockchains. And with that, we believe that you can enable new use cases across gaming, DeFi, infrastructures, and asset management. This is recorded, so I'll let you go over the list of use cases yourself. And the way to get started is super intuitive. You just have to import our library using Anchor. And then with that, you can have new data types and operations, and then just build any use cases that you want to build on top of Solana. One use case that we're quite excited about is the confidential token. So what's unique about this is that there's this idea of composability. So you can think of extending this standard with payments, voting, or things like DeFi like lending. And the way this works is very straightforward. As you import this library, you can write confidential compute code. As you can see, this is actually pretty intuitive. It really just reads and writes like your typical SVM code. And with that, you can do things like private payments, private transfers. So super excited to see people exploring this standard. And one major thing I want to highlight is you can get started pretty quickly using our stack. You can use existing wallets like Phantom. You can write the code in Rust, and then you can use Anchor. If you're already familiar with Solana development, then this should be pretty straightforward. Just quickly about the boundaries. So we have three main tracks. One is about consumer gaming and predictions markets. So definitely excited to see people think about new use cases that can leverage private states. So think of maybe hiding the price predictions that people are making, or maybe like a private gaming like poker, or any consumer app that you think is novel. The second track is mostly on the DeFi side. So this is where for folks who are more DeFi savvy, definitely I recommend people exploring things like private AMMs, private lending, staking, etc. And lastly, it's really just on the private payment track. So this is pretty straightforward. Any applications that integrate private payments, and definitely from here, we're quite excited to see people, find clever ways to also promote private applications on the payment side, which could be a UX challenge because it's still pretty new in the space, but definitely excited to see people come up with clever ideas here. And then lastly, to find our docs, here's the link. And then if you have any questions, feel free to email us or message us directly on Telegram. We also have a Discord channel with a dev chat. So yeah, definitely feel free to join us there as well. And with that, excited and good luck, everyone.